The midpoint constraint finds the midpoint of an entity. In this case, I'm going to show you how to find the midpoint of a line. My intention is for the endpoint of this line to always lie on the midpoint of this other line. So I'm going to go and choose the midpoint constraint by clicking on its symbol. It's a triangle. And then I'm going to click on the point of the line, and I'm just going to click on the other entity. Now you'll see that we get the same triangle up here that we have for the midpoint, letting us know that a midpoint constraint has been added. For this demonstration, to make it a little easier, even though we haven't covered this constraint yet, I'm going to also add a perpendicular constraint. Now what you can see is as I change the length of the line, this line always stays at the midpoint of that line as I change the length. So if my design intent is for this line to always lie in the midpoint, I don't have to go and edit my dimensions or recalculate that. Adding the midpoint will ensure that this line is always at the midpoint of the line it's been told to be midpoint to.